With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, the stem of vibrating tuning fork is pressed against a tabletop. Will it produce an audible sound? Alright, so we know that upon vibration the sound is created. Alright, we know upon vibration sound waves are created. It may or may not lie in our audible range. Alright, waves created may or may not lie in our hearing range. Alright, range. But what happens is, the question is asking if the tuning fork, vibrating tuning fork, when pressed against the tabletop, will that sound produced will lie in our audible range? Yes, it will produce an audible sound. We can hear the sound.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.